Here I have ALCATEL Pop S3 and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together these two keys, power key and volume up, for a couple of seconds. Or release both keys as soon as ALCATEL Untitled Pop S3 logo pops up, and this is the Android system recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. As you can see here, you can choose your desired language of Android system recovery mode. In my case, let me choose English, press power key to confirm it. And this is the recovery menu. Here you can also navigate in the same way by using volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Here you may apply update from the ADB, you can apply update from the SD card, you can accomplish the hard reset operation by choosing wipe data factory reset, or you can also wipe cache partition. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose the last option, which is reboot system now. This is the first option, of course, and let's just press power key to confirm it. The device is restarting and rebooting. Excellent, now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.